Decentralized finance, sometimes known as DeFi, is an open worldwide alternative to the limited, controlled and centuries-old traditional financial system that much of the world is familiar with today. Anyone with a smartphone and internet access can use DeFi to put their money to work on their own terms through services like investment, borrowing, lending, and trading. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or Metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. After Bitcoin's launch in 2009, a robust industry blossomed, stemming from the asset, its concept and its underlying technology. The crypto and blockchain space boasts different niches in which projects and companies develop solutions for various use cases. One such niche is the decentralized finance (DeFi) sector, which was created as an alternative to traditional financial services. More specifically, DeFi consists of smart contracts, which, in turn, power decentralized applications, dApps, and protocols. Many of the initial DeFi applications were built on Ethereum, and the majority of the ecosystem's total value locked remains concentrated there. Specifically, the emergence of DeFi has brought about a lot of changes in the global financial scene, specifically within the crypto space. While the new trend is an interesting one, it is going to change the way we look at cryptocurrencies moving forward. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the Metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. In the traditional world, you may use financial institutions to store your money, borrow capital, earn interest, send transactions, etc. Commercial banks carry a lengthy proven history of performance. Commercial banks can provide insurance and have security measures in place to ward off and protect against theft. On the other hand, such establishments hold and control your assets to a degree. You are limited by banking hours for particular actions, and transactions can be cumbersome, requiring settlement times on the back end. Additionally, commercial banks require specific customer details and identifying documents for participation. DeFi, instead of using banks as middlemen, places smart contracts at the center of a peer-to-peer financial system based on open-source blockchains such as Ethereum. DeFi can be compared to a bank with many businesses but no physical locations. It enables trading, streamlines exchange operations, and pays interest on investments without the need for a physical office or human personnel. DeFi is inextricably linked to cryptocurrencies and blockchains. When you communicate with a DeFi protocol, you're just engaging with software and nothing more. Blockchain and other open technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and smart contracts, to name a few, can be used to create a decentralized system. So, in simple terms, DeFi essentially aims to eliminate the necessity for middlemen or other forms of intermediary or third-party interference in transactions. Through a P2P network, DeFi eliminates intermediaries and permits decentralized banking, which wasn't possible before due to the need to get transactions approved through third parties. The goal of DeFi is to create an open, trustless and permissionless financial market. Much of the technology in the DeFi space aims to improve the current financial system, potentially improving the user experience. Staking is the process of locking tokens into a smart contract in exchange for more of the same token. Yield farming is another way of rewarding yourself with more of the same token or a new token. If DeFi succeeds, it will hand power over to the open source community and individual users rather than large centralized corporations. It will be assessed whether DeFi will result in a more efficient financial system once it is ready for widespread usage. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or Metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time.